So recently, your Uncle Spurt moved to a new house where I found myself bereft of internet for almost a full month. Now I know how people in medieval times felt, and let me tell you kiddies, it was not pleasant. And in order to survive, I basically set up temporary residence in the beer garden of my local Wetherspoons and leached their Wi-Fi for all it was worth. Not the most ideal working environment, unless you count the readily available and suspiciously affordable booze. But it certainly would have been a lot more bearable if I'd actually had the HP Omnibook Ultra 14 advanced with AMD Ryzen, which is stuffed to the pectorals with smarty pants AI features, and not just your usual gimmicky stuff either. This laptop can make even the most annoyingly complicated tasks blissfully easy, and keep your private bits nice and secure no matter which cost-effective boozer you decide to lurk in. So let's have a squint at some of the very best bits, and a massive thanks to HP and AMD for sponsoring this video and keeping the lights on at TechSpert Towers. Cheers! Now first up, portability, and this is certainly a laptop that you can carry anywhere and work on all day long. That lightweight aluminium frame weighs just a smidge over 1.5 kilos. Proper skinny as well, and as it's a compact 14-inch laptop, it's basically dinky enough to slip into any kiddie-sized backpacks. And I do love that sandblasted anodized finish as well. The matte surfacing means very few smudges and smears, so you don't have to be constantly buffing this thing up to keep it looking smart. And the same goes for the innards as well. This is a slick looking laptop, right down to that backlit chiclet style keyboard. And of course, this is a compact laptop, so don't expect a plethora of ports, but you get the essentials. Includes a pop-out Type A USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. And around the other side, you've got a pair of Thunderbolt 4 ports, including one cunningly secreted in that corner. And the HP Omnibook Ultra 14 with AMD Ryzen also boasts excellent battery life to further enhance the portability. Even with a full-on mix of creative tasks, music and video streaming, and the occasional spot of gaming, you should make it through a full working day on just a single charge. And that's certainly helped along by those AMD Ryzen Smarts, which ensure that not a drop of power is wasted. This laptop only kicks it up a notch when absolutely necessary to keep that drain to a minimum. And one of HP's features which you'll find in the My HP app, which I really love, is the presence sensing tool. You can have this detect when you wander away from your laptop, or even when you just look away, so it will dim the screen or full on hibernate. Pretty handy if you've decided to wander off to the pub toilets and forgotten to power down. Not only an important security feature, but also it can help save some of that valuable battery life. Now the HP Omnibook Ultra 14 has been advanced with the AMD Ryzen AI 9365, complete with AMD Radeon 880M graphics and backed by up to 32 gigs of lovely RAM. And I've got that maximum memory stuffed inside of this here unit. So this laptop is easily enough of a beefcake to handle those regular creative tasks like photo editing, no worries at all. And it can also handle a good bit of gaming. In fact, you've also got the HP Omen Gaming Hub slapped on here to help you get the very best from this laptop on your breaks. Now this automatically recognizes when you install a new game. This helps to automatically boost performance and also offers up a great selection of settings just to ensure that the game runs as smoothly as possible. And HP also helps out with excellent features like system control. Got a good bit of smart sense in there which can automatically keep the laptop cool under pressure, kicking those fans into action when they're needed, and then shutting them off again when they're no longer required for a good bit of peaceful, silent running. And that 14-inch IPS display might be pretty dinky, but it is built for creative tasks. You've got a 2.2K resolution, 2240 by 1400 pixels. So on a screen this size, those visuals are crisper than a family-sized bag of Walkers. Good news if you are a creator as well, because you can expect accurate color reproduction. This panel covers almost 100% of the sRGB gamut, and you've got around 75% coverage of the Adobe RGB and P3 gamuts. If you do happen to find yourself propped up in a beer garden, well, that screen is bright enough for outdoors use, especially as the anti-reflective finish helps to cut down the glare a bit. So it's great for working outdoors and also kicking back with movies and shows when you're taking a much deserved break, possibly with a cold beverage. Well, this laptop does also sport a headphone jack if you prefer a bit more privacy. And the HP Omnibook Ultra 14, advanced by AMD Ryzen, also sports a 9 megapixel camera for staying in touch with colleagues, if you happen to have any colleagues. Of course, my only work pal is a crusty old sock with a foul mouth. Nah! Shut your pie hole, you. And this camera captures a clear, crisp image of your face, so maybe don't smash too many Bacardi breezers before your 8 AM performance review. And you've got a bit of auto HDR action on there as well. Pretty handy if you're trying to do a Teams meeting from the beer garden of a certain value-focused alcoholic establishment. And as you would expect, those Windows Studio effects are supported across a variety of video apps, the likes of automatic framing and also the background effects to blur out everything that's going on behind you. Again, pretty handy if you happen to be in a beer garden rather than an office. Or alternatively, if you want even more control and customization, well, there's the Poly Camera Pro app, which comes preloaded on this laptop. Again, it's compatible with Zoom, Teams, all that good stuff. So for instance, if you like, you can stick on your own watermark with all of your contact details, a wide variety on offer with full customization. Got a good bit of auto framing action as well, so you are always front and center. And you've also got the option of blurring out or completely replacing the background with whatever you prefer, as well as the ability to adjust the brightness, saturation levels, and contrast of the image to suit your environment. And this laptop sports a dual mic setup with that audio fine-tuned by Poly Studio, so you sound as clear as you look. Got a bit of smart dynamic voice leveling as well, so even if you have to step well back from your laptop, your vocals will remain clear. So you can, gesticulate wildly or whatever you need to do. And all of this AI-type shenanigans is made possible thanks to the AMD Ryzen's NPU brains, capable of up to 55 trillion operations per second. Now that really is tops, quite literally. And of course, this laptop is also packed to the armpits with all kinds of security-type shenanigans, which are essential if you're not safely ensconced in the old homestead. So we already touched on presence sensing, for instance, which is excellent from a security standpoint as well as power saving. This laptop is also protected by your biometric data, so you can unlock it with both your fingerprint and also your face. That AMD Ryzen processor has a special secure section for storing all of your biometrics and other private bits. And you've also got that HP Wolf Protect security suite stashed on here just to make sure you stay safe online and that no nasty bits end up infiltrating this laptop. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a nutshell is the HP Omnibook Ultra 14 advanced by AMD Ryzen. So the next time the ruddy internet goes down and I have to ensconce myself in a cost-effective public house, I'm well and truly sorted. Now, massive thanks again to HP and AMD for sponsoring this video and keeping the lights on at Techspert Towers. Please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!